I've got my kids coming in this afternoon and they have requested my world famous ribeyes. Okay, maybe not world famous, maybe just Clear Lake famous. So anytime I want to grill, this is the place I come to. This is the chopping block located at 14020 Highway 3. It's basically at the corner of Highway 3 and Clear Lake City Boulevard. Tucked away in the corner near Savannah Bakery. Let's go in and check out what they got today. Here's our different choices. Rosewood Wagyu. Probably get with the prime ribeye. Those are really good. Getting ready to prep. By the way, look how amazing that marble is. Even throughout. It's going to be so good. In this order, I coat them with olive oil, meat tenderizer. I love this garlic paste because you can get it down and mash it down into all the little crevices of the meat. And then, as simple as it is, this is my favorite steak seasoning.